back to a brand new episode with Bennett and the band. Hi, guys, you always give me a great welcome. Today's evening is going to be a rocking evening. We're going to crack this floor. So, watch out for the crack out here. All right, our guest for today's evening, he's cool, smart, has a voice like fire. He's the blue-eyed boy of A.R. Rahman. Please welcome Karthik.
Hey guys.
Get me a little louder. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome, Karthik.
Hi. Yeah.
How do you like the set?
Awesome.
Great.
Yeah.
Are you ready to rock this floor?
Looks like it.
Tonight?
Yeah. I love these guys, so I'm
Great.
very excited. Yes.
Amazing. All right, this is your throne.
Okay.
We'll do a little chatting right now.
Sure.
Hey, Karthik, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Is this your first time in Trivandrum?
No, I've been here before. I've been here quite a few times before.
Work related?
Work related, yeah. Recordings and then lots of shows happen here. So
Okay. And how do you like this place? Have you got an opportunity to roam around?
Not really. No,
Not really. So
No.
maybe the next time.
yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, okay. Karthik, tell me the story of music. Your story of music.
Where do I start from? Yeah, I'm a huge fan of Rahman, so it was my dream to meet him, and I always wanted to be a singer since my childhood, but I didn't have anybody in the industry. None of my parents or anybody in the family belonged to the industry or singing, so I didn't think about it seriously.
Which is really amazing because most of the singers, they do have a backing.
Yeah, at least in some remote way.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it so happened that I met a lot of good people, right people at the right time, and a lot of things fell in place. Actually, yeah.
Okay.
So that's what I said. I started learning when I was when I was 4. I just learned for a year, and then I quit, and then I started learning again when I was in my 12th standard. So that's when I picked up. Singing happened very late, actually.
Okay.
Got an opportunity to meet Rahman, so that changed everything.
Wonderful. And you are actually a very rare combination. If I actually have to just close my eyes and listen to you, the way, you sing and your
Sounds so bad.
in the classical, I will just visualize you. If I've not met you before, I would visualize you as someone wearing kurta pajamas and having a tilak. Because but you're so cool and, sove, and it's a rare combination. Are you a Western music lover too? And
See, I don't want to get into Western or Indian. Anything that appeals to me appeals
Okay,
to
great.
me. Yeah, I just love music and I'm very open to
Yeah.
anything.
Okay.
So, and yeah, just be yourself. That's about it.
Okay, can you tell me something about your family, Karthik?
Yeah, my parents work. And my mom just quit recently. My father still works for a private limited company. And I hear from a typical middle class family in Chennai. We've been in Chennai throughout. And I have a younger brother who's studying in Singapore.
Okay.
And I got married 1.5 years back. So, wife was a homemaker. No.
So life is rocking for you.
It's been good, yes.
Great.
Touch wood, thank God.
How is it working with A.R. Rahman?
It's fun. It's a lot of fun working with him, and
I called you the blue-eyed boy.
probably it's more fun for me because it was my dream to meet him.
Okay.
So you grow up trying to meet somebody, and that somebody gives you a career.
Yeah.
It's probably the best thing to happen.
What's the first song?
The first song I did was a movie called Star in Tamil,
Okay.
and it's called Asadosa. That's the first one.
Can you sing a few lines?
Sure. அடி நேந்து கிட்ட நெய்வள கயத்தி வச்சு உன்னோட கன்னத்தில் முத்தம் கொடுக்க நேத்து கடத்தி கலனா கோச்சுக்குமே சாமி எல்லாம் பக்கத்தில் நீ வாடி அள்ளி கொடுக்க பூனை போல வீட்டுக்குள்ள வந்து விடுவேன் புன்னகையில் நீ சிந்து பால குடிப்பேன் ரோசாப்பு இடுப்புல வண்டு போல சுத்தி வந்து தேனை எடுப்பேன் ஆசை தோசை நீ பேசும் பாஷையே புரியலையே. Goes like that.
Alright, Karthik, apart from singing, what are your hobbies? Please don't tell me reading and
No. Actually, my wife keeps telling me, to actually have
only
something other than music. Yeah, because work keeps me busy. Something or the other keeps happening. Even otherwise, if I'm not working, it's just music. Yeah, just keep listening to something or keep doing something or the other with this.
maybe you can help her in cooking.
Yeah, she's watching this and she'll feel good right now.
Karthik's wife, he's going to help you in cooking. All right, are you a sports freak? Do you watch cricket?
I was
football?
seriously into cricket, basketball, but now it's just cricket. Yeah,
Okay. And have you been singing abroad, Karthik? For stage
yeah. I've been
shows?
traveling quite a bit.
And
Yeah.
how's the response? Great.
It's great. There's some places where the response is tremendous, like Singapore, Malaysia, for
Alright.
Tamils. I'm talking about
Yeah.
Tamil. And recently, I'd gone to the US for a month.
Okay.
It was fabulous. The audience there, they rock.
Okay.
They really want good music, and it's wonderful.
You have sung a Hindi song also.
I did a few actually.
Okay.
In bits and parts here and there. I did one with Rahman in Yuva,
Okay.
and I did one with Asha ji in Satya.
All right. Sing me the Yuva one, please.
Yuva is that Dhakala ka buka, kavigare mukha, the intro one, no?
And
Hurt ja re, hurt. That one.
and Satya?
Satya is actually September Madam in Hindi. I
Okay.
did that with Asha ji.
All right. Sure.
चोरी पे चोरी कथे की चुटकी चुने की बोरी झूठी जहान की आफत है जान की एक डकैती और सीना जोरी तौबा 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 यार मेरी तौबा 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 ये तो नहीं होगा.
Karthik, a lot of singers are doctors and chemical engineers and have done their zoology. And
Yeah.
Are you an astronaut?
No. I would have become a chartered accountant. I actually started studying that, but God's been kind to me. I would have been a disaster.
An astronaut would have been better. No?
Clueless. So I don't want to get into it.
Absolutely not. Okay, Karthik, what are your future projects?
I've done quite a bit in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, a little bit in Malayalam, and a little bit in Hindi for Rahman. And I've also started singing in Bengali now. So
Great.
yeah.
Can you?
Uncle ko time saril hai.
Can you sing?
In Bengali, yeah.
Interesting.
I'm not sure of the words, so I don't want to
It's okay.
kill them. I just sing 2 lines. আমার গানের জানে কথায় তোমার ছবি ঢাকা লা 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 টারা না না la 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 la. Something like that. I'm not sure of the words. So.
Okay, do you know to play a musical instrument?
No, I'm just.
And not even
I've been
interested?
learning piano for the last 5 years, and I don't know when I'll finish learning. Really bad at this.
You're at what grade right now?
No grades. I don't
No
want to
grade.
talk about all that now. With these guys around, I don't want to talk about instruments and learning.
Kanan, do you want to take his exam right now? Karthik, what do you like to eat? I would love to know that.
South Indian food, I love it.
Anything
Whatever it is,
else?
yeah. I'd like to venture out to lots of other things. but
Continental?
yeah, anything is fine, but then I'll have to come back to this, wherever I go. So
And I've been asking a lot of artists out here that, do you all have a certain protocol of not eating pickle and ice cream?
I think you should eat well. Just be
Okay.
happy, if you want to do well as a musician and keep your voice fit.
just
So I believe in, yeah.
Eat well. And
Yeah, don't deprive yourself of anything. Yeah.
so you don't do anything prior to your concerts or recordings, any form of meditation or yoga?
I was into yoga again. I have to start that again.
You just quit everything, huh? Piano learning,
I don't know,
yoga.
yeah.
Singing will be in your heart. That's all.
Till now.
Till now. And what?
I'm just kidding.
Okay. Are you good at dancing?
No, I can't.
No kidding.
No, I can't. Really can't. No, I can't. I don't dance.
You're not a
My
disco.
wife's a dancer, so
Oh, great.
it's all the more difficult for me to even.
So you can sing and she can dance. So that's a great
I've
combination.
heard this line so often. It's just not true. So
Not at all. Okay, Karthik, are you if you don't like dancing, then definitely you do not party out. And are you a
no, I'm not. No, I don't. No. I've
Not at all.
never been to. I've never been to a discotheque in Chennai till now. Not even once. But I have my reasons because, first of all, noise gets to me.
Okay.
I can't handle loud noise. And then the smoke.
The smoke.
That spoils
yeah,
my throat.
That, yeah.
Yeah, and I can't go and sit there and ask for a glass of hot water. It doesn't make sense. So might as well not go. Simple.
I called you the blue-eyed boy of A.R. Rahman.
And it feels good. People call me that. It's nice. I'm really grateful to him because when he gave me the break, I was nobody. At that point of time, even I didn't have confidence in my musicianship. I had no clue. But it's nice to see that he believed in me. He thought I would. I was just raw talent. I was hardly cultured, as a musician. So he believed in me, which is great. I think I owe it to him for that. Okay. And it's so wonderful of him because he didn't bother where I came from. He would not even talk to me, but he just made sure, I grew as a musician for a good while. So I think that's fantastic, without any expectation. You just, yeah.
Hey, Dilruba, I want to ask something.
Go ahead.
Hey, Karthik, what's your favorite raga?
Favorite? There are a few. The one that comes to my mind right now is Malkons. Yeah. It's Hindulam and Carnatic Malkons.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
You want to jam?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Here we go.
Saga
His voice was like fire. Well, it seemed like a volcano to me. I was just wondering, do you have an all-time favorite musician or a singer?
Yeah, I do have a few, definitely. It's like I like so many singers for one particular aspect, and you know what makes them special.
Yeah.
I mean, I have to talk about Rafi Saab, Lata Mangeshkar, and Hariharan, Shankar Mahadevan, SPB. You know, all these guys are so good at one particular department, and they're probably the pioneers in that. You know, like Shankar, you talk about performance on stage. You know, his mastery over swarams is phenomenal. You know, you can't even comprehend the way he sings. Sometimes he's so fast, he's so good at it.
Okay.
And Hariharan, his whole grasp of the technique of singing mellifluously, his grasp over the ragas and voice culture, the way he presents his voice, is so beautiful. And talk about SPV, talk about his versatility. You know, he's like a perfect example for a playback singer. You give him any song, he'll make sure he cracks it. You know, gives what the song needs. So lot of things like that.
Okay, Karthik, in your career, as soon as you began, can you define it as smooth, or were there ups and downs? And
It's been smooth, touch wood. Really, thank God, because
Okay.
seriously, God's been kind to me that way. It's been smooth. I've not had a problem at all.
touch wood.
Touch wood. Yeah.
Great. Karthik, have you sung in a Malayalam movie?
I did, yes. I've done quite a few Malayalam songs, and the first one was Agale
Okay.
by Mr. M.J. Chandran.
Okay.
And
And do you know your language well, Malayalam?
I'm learning, so now I can understand the language.
All right,
And I'm
great.
also attempting to talk a little
Good.
bit here and there.
Join the gang.
Yeah.
All right. So, can you just sing a
Sure.
line? Yeah.
See mine now. Agale, agale, aro paadum oru novu paatinte neertharagangalorthu povunnu njan agale agale ഏതോ കാറ്റിൽ. Thank you.
Karthik, if music be the food of love, play on.
Yeah.
Is music your life?
Yep.
Absolutely.
I don't know anything other than this for now.
Other than music, you sleep, you eat, and drink music.
That's a little too much, but yeah, music is yes, so much a part of me. Yeah.
What I mean, would you like to compose in the future? Cut an album?
I really haven't thought about it,
Okay.
but I have varied interests actually in music. It's like I don't want to just confine myself to another playback singer around. I'm very open.
Okay.
I'm learning
Yeah.
lots of things, so I'm just going with the flow, taking each day as it comes.
You like fusion, right?
Yeah, I like it,
wouldn't-
yeah. Yeah, I like
and, you being a classical singer, you
So I have to talk about these musicians at this point of time, since you spoke about
Since
fusion.
fusion.
Fusion happened to me, or rather, is happening to me because of these guys.
okay.
Rose Ball Show itself.
Rose Ball Show, exactly.
it is.
Yes. So I think that is probably a pleasant surprise that has
Great.
happened to me.
It's opened your mind.
It has seriously opened another, a new dimension
Great.
to my musicality, whatever. And I mean, everybody has been watching them perform in every episode. These guys are like too much, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy that this has happened. Can I ask you guys a question?
What?
We'll give you points.
So how do you? Okay, no, I know that Bennett, you kind of head the band, and so how do you go about constructing a melody for the band as such? Where do you start from? Who starts with the main melody theme, and then how do you go about the chords, and how do you distribute everything to the band? Like you compose a piece, you play it on the guitar, and then you play the chords.
No, it's not like that.
Or do you guys just jam like Kanan Cheda just
Yeah,
jams
that's right.
with the
Actually,
melody?
Yeah, it's just, I don't know how it happens.
Or it just happens?
It just happens.
It's so beautiful the way you guys do it.
Maybe, maybe I'll come up with some kind of riffs or something.
Okay.
Kind of.
He'll play some chords.
Yeah, he
And
play some.
our
And the
rocking
drummer,
bassist
yeah,
will
the
just
drummer
play.
will play some groove onto
Okay.
it.
Okay.
The bassist, you know him.
Yeah, I don't want to talk about him.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it happens like that.
It just happens.
Yeah.
It's such a beautiful process, no? I mean, the way
Yes.
the tune is.
Actually, I wanted to ask something actually. Too.
Yeah.
Like, are you trained in classic? You're trained in classical, no?
I am.
So is it Carnatic or Hindustani?
I'm getting trained in Hindustani.
Hindustani.
Hindustani, yeah. Yeah. I've been getting trained and I'm still getting trained in Hindustani.
Yeah.
Karthik.
But I thought like there is a mix-up coming, the Gamagas, no?
Yeah. See, what
So
happens
maybe-
is, what has happened in my case is that I grew up in Chennai, right? Chennai is the place for Carnatic.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, there
For
is
a
a lot of
musician,
Carnatic, Gamagams coming. So
yeah, you
easily.
don't have to learn Carnatic if you're born in Chennai.
Yeah.
There's so much Carnatic around you.
Yeah.
So,
that's it.
the moment you want to grasp all that, it automatically becomes a part of your system.
Yeah, there is a lot of South Indian touch in your
Correct,
singing.
correct. And the little bit of North Indian I do is what I learned.
Yeah.
So, that's probably why there's it's an avail of both.
And a lot of singers now are getting back to learning even Western classical, apart from learning
Oh,
Hindustani
absolutely.
classical.
Yeah, there are so many
Are
singers
you,
in Chennai.
are you into that?
I want to learn. I'm going to do actually.
You are learning piano, right?
I'm learning piano. Yeah,
Well, that might help you a little bit.
it certainly does. It gives a good idea about chords and.
Yeah, I want to ask something.
Yeah.
Like when you sing swaras,
Huh.
swarasthanangal, you know,
Huh.
how are you thinking? Are you thinking the
It's
keyboard?
a very interesting question. Actually, I've asked this to so many musicians who do that. No,
Actually,
because each
I'll
one
tell
has
you.
a-
Actually, I'll tell you. Like I always think about my fretboard.
Correct. I think about a keyboard.
Really?
Yep.
Macha,
Like
right?
Sagamaba, Isagagazani Pamagas.
How about you, Kannan?
100% keyboard. Yeah.
Keyboard. Let me ask there.
Daya,
How do you
you just take a snare and bang on your head. But yeah, that's interesting.
Yeah. Gamapa. You sing like.
So it's like gama pama gama ga ga sa ni sa pa.
For me, it's like.
Exactly. Yeah. So you actually see the swaras.
Yes.
You like? Yeah.
Hey, Karthik, Sunil out there has names for all his instruments. They like his babies. I keep
Why
on
did Sunil
telling.
introduce everything to? Just go to the. Take this mic. Yep. Take this.
That one is Babu. This one. And Suresh is sleeping now.
Well, I thought he had some serious names for the instruments, and now I look like a fool here.
Where is
மைக்கே
Pappu?
கிடையாது அவனுக்கு இனிமே.
Where someone called us Pappu also, please show that. Where is Santosh? You keep beating him up, yeah.
Sandosh is sleeping.
So you also got the names now.
Yeah.
You've been living with them for 3 days.
Yeah, exactly.
Actually, we've been calling her Tamburu.
From
What does that
Dilruba.
mean?
No, her name is Dilruba. Dilruba is a music instrument, no? So just-
Now my voice is gone and I'm croaking, so now they're calling me Thambru. And Sunil says I have one string snapped. The main string. Okay, Karthik loves Rafi Saab songs. So,
I've
Please
just
sing
actually
us one.
started discovering so many of his numbers.
okay,
So
chalo, ek gana ho
I'll do one, yeah. Something that I heard recently. अभी न जाओ छोड़कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं अभी अभी तो आई हो अभी अभी तो अभी अभी तो आई हो बहार बन के छाई हो हवा जरा महक तो ले नजर जरा बहक तो ले ये शाम ढल तो ले जरा ये शाम ढल तो ले जरा ये दिल संभल तो ले जरा मैं थोड़ी देर जी तो लूं नशे की घूंट पी तो लूं अभी तो कुछ कहा नहीं अभी तो कुछ सुना नहीं अभी 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 नहीं 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 नहीं
Wow, wow.
What a pretty song.
Wow, wow, wow. Amazing. Would you like to sing a Western song?
You remember me when the west wind moves upon the fields of barley. You'll forget the sun in his jealous skies as we walk in fields of gold. So she took her smile far to gaze a while among the fields of barley. You'll forget the sun in his jealous skies as we walk in fields of gold.
Wonderful. So you're amazing. You start learning your piano right now and Western classical.
Yeah, I should.
Hey Karthik, would you like to sing a final song for us?
Sure. What do you guys want to jam on?
Do some fusion.
Yeah.
Just
Something on blues? Some blues scale? Yeah.
Okay.
That's kind of You want to give me a groove? Cool, man.
Karthik has left us spellbound and we have to switch off today. But tomorrow is going to be another new episode and it's going to be rocking and vibrant. So see you tomorrow and thank you, Karthik.
Thanks.